we can give you the assistance.
The State Cabinet has approved grant in aid given to the 7 ad hoc colleges against a particular post, where 75% is borne by the government and 25% by the managing committee. These colleges were, however, not receiving the 5th Pay Commission. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the 5th Pay Commission is applicable to them and hence the area amount will be cleared. The Cabinet also approved the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be renamed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University, since Meghalaya does not have a state university.
So the government has decided that after the necessary homework was done, that the 5th Pay Commission is applicable to them, and hence there is an arrear amount which needs to be cleared. So that amount will be cleared, and the Cabinet has decided that today the impact of that is about 11 crores for the last 4.5 years. So this is a long pending issue, and it has finally been cleared today. The approval of the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be changed, the name will be changed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University.